How to install your Magellan dongle. Before installation, you want to make sure your vehicle is turned off and parked on flat land. Secondly, you want to make sure to never install your dongle while operating the vehicle for any reason. Your first step is to take the 10-pin micro plug and plug it into your dongle. Once plugged in, you'll take your J1939 or J1708 cable and plug it underneath the dash. However, in this instance, we only have an OBT2 port. For that reason, we'll go ahead and use an adapter. Now that we've connected the adapter, go ahead and plug in the port. Once plugged in, your dongle will flash red. Now that the dongle is flashing green, we know it's connected to the engine and we can move inside the cab to continue installation on the device side.